Hi, I'm Glyn Davis. I'm the founder of Retail Insider. Shelf edge labels are clearly nothing new. They've been around a long time. What's driven the adoption by retailers is the massively reduced cost per unit, whereas a retailer potentially needs millions of these things, and now they're definitely within financial reach. Tesco originally did trials in its Eastern European stores and has moved that onto the UK. What they've been benefiting from is the fact typically Tesco changes between 5 and 10 million prices per week, and that had typically taken around a week to do, whereas this could be done centrally on an electronic basis in no more than an hour. Not only does that save time and putting physical stickers onto all these labels, but there's more consistency between the price on the shelf and the price in their EPOS systems, which in turn gives consumers much more confidence in terms of the prices they're seeing. What could be the big opportunities when the likes of Tesco start to look at dynamic pricing, whereby they charge, say for a croissant, they might charge £1 first thing in the morning. That might drop to 50 pence mid-morning, and then ups again to £1 at lunchtime when there's the lunchtime trade. Consumers have been slightly wary about dynamic pricing, but there's clearly an opportunity also from clearing end-of-line stocks, particularly in fashion goods. They could reduce them pretty easily via electronic shelf edge labels.
Hello, I'm Guy Chiswick. I'm the Managing Director for Webloyalty Northern Europe. So Tesco's electronic shelf edge labels are really innovative in that they take away the challenges that a supermarket has fulfilling traditional labels. So if you're stocking a supermarket, you've got all manner of different produce that you're putting out there, and everyone has to have a personalised label. It's got to be printed, it's got to be delivered to store, it's then got to be put on the shelf. So if you want to do anything based on what's happening with the weather, what's happening with price promotion, you need to print up a new label, put that in place. You have to rely on the staff to do it. So it's a nightmare for supermarkets to do this, and it means that they have to get everyone involved in doing it. So the future of this is, if you take it on another few steps, if you link this with club card data, it means you can be much more dynamic in terms of the offers that you're putting out there, based on real localized offers that you can then push promotions through to. But separately, if the future is RFID chips in stock control, you could then do dynamic pricing based on how many units you've got. So as you wind it down in terms of the promotion, you switch it off on the label and you move on to the next one. So again, it's as technology should be. It makes a difficult, onerous process in terms of printing labels, getting them to the store, putting them on the shelf, and it simplifies it.